a knife here from Kansept. Let's go ahead and break it free here, shall we? We're looking at the, drum roll please, Fenrir. This must be a special edition one. We got a stonewash CPM 20 CV steel, so we got a premium steel for sure. Stonewash titanium handle with the gradient crystallized titanium inlay. That sounds sweet. I don't know about you, but that sounds pretty good in my book. Of course, a Sparrow knife work design. The Fenrir is one of Kansept, and for that sake, Tenable's most popular model. We got some paperwork here and a wiping cloth, silica candy, and then we have the fabric pouch here with the leather strap, and man, that is looking sweet. Let's make some room here. Holy macaroni, guys. All right. Woohoo! Man, crystallized titanium just hits different. I'll tell you what, crystallized titanium for the win. And how about these gold liners? This is crazy. We have exposed liners. They are gold. They definitely stand out from the titanium portion here of the reverse bolster we have going on. We also got a titanium pocket clip there. No pull, all right, of course, on the titanium, but we do have those liners are steel, right? There's the crystallized portion. I do like this gradient quite a bit. I think maybe the top sail from Kaiser was one of the first ones that I saw with this sort of like purple to green sort of transition. But here on the Fenrir, that looks nice. And guess what? The cherry on top, are you ready? It is a button liner lock. So you already know this is going to be a W here. Well, bam, for sure. Oh man, come on. Thumb stop deployment, money, you already know. Reverse flick, oof, that is one stiff D10. I'll tell you what, gotta take my, holy smokes, I gotta work out a little bit more here at the gym because, yeah, it is. I'm using the nail here and I gotta do quite the pressure for the Spidey flick. So if you like a strong D10, man, they got you covered here with this version of the Fenrir. But what you are getting for sure is that very iconic sort of clip point harpoon blade with a flat grind. Again, 20 CV on this one. Very premium steel to say the least. They have all kinds of colorways for the Fenrir. There have been so many variations. I believe the Fenrir is probably Kansept's most stylized knife. They got the most models, they got the most variations, what have you. So this one here is no different. There is your Sparrow Knife Works collaboration there, Greg Shop design. And of course the action is going to be on point, right? Using the button here, not an issue at all. It's also lefty friendly, but the pocket clip doesn't necessarily translate 100% because it is a kind of curved pocket clip, not reversible on the other side, even though they have plenty of button lock versions and even crossbar lock versions that have a reversible pocket clip. We'll look at one here in just a second, but the ergos are really, really good. Right, if you've been living under a rock and you already don't know what the Fenrir is all about, I mean, this is one of everyone's favorite EDC to have in their collection. Hammer grip, on point, forward choke position, good to go. Thumb behind the harpoon. That feels perfect. You can do some tip work here with a very pokey tip, like one of your favorite YouTubers will say here on the platform, right? Very pokey tip. We do have some milling on the inside for wear reduction. Two standoffs, right? Sandwich construction going on there. Lanyard hole for my lanyard people. I mean, what is there to say about the Fenrir that hasn't already been said? You guys probably already know everything there is to know. This is just another cool variant to check out. Now here are two other cool variants. These are on the Tenable lineup, but the crossbar lock is also available on the Kansept lineup as well if you want a more premium one. This one is a aluminum diamond pattern handles style here. There's a pocket clip and it is reversible since the crossbar lock is very ambidextrous friendly. And here's a button operated liner lock, just like this Kansept version, but on the Tenable lineup as well. Milled aluminum handles, the pocket carry clip, and reversible for lefties. So they got you covered, right? They definitely got the lefties in mind without a doubt. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them all side by side here so you guys can take a closer look. And this is a great thing for everybody here. So they got the more premium versions and they got the more affordable versions, which is amazing. Everybody wins. If you want a more premium knife, you can pick one up. If you're in a budget, you still got options. You're not completely like left out in the dark. Just a massive win for the EDC knife community. With the Fenrir, you're looking at an overall length of close to 8 inches, but not quite. 7.9-ish around there. You have around maybe 3.4-ish on the blade with a 3-inch cutting path, depending on the model, right? This is the finger choil. You do get a nice little finger choil on the button lock version. If you go the crossbar lock version, you do get 3.5 cutting path. They do the finger choil a little bit different on the crossbar lock version. Here they are side by side, so you can see what I mean. And again, that's another great thing because you could choose, whether you want not only a different locking system versus another, but more cutting path or, a finger choil. Lastly, we got the handle length coming in around 4.5 inches. So some quick scientific measurements there for you. Again, did I mention that the Fenrir comes in all kinds of colors under the rainbow? They're like Skittles, right? Whatever color, favorite color, design you got in mind, chances are between the Tenable lineup on the budget end or the Kansept lineup on the more premium end, they absolutely got you covered. So let me know your thoughts on this variant of the Kansept Fenrir.